This is the HP Victus 15 gaming laptop. It offers top-tier performance for gamers and creators. Let's check it out. First, let's talk design. HP 15 features a sleek and robust design with a stylish performance blue finish. The laptop has a premium build quality, making it a great choice for both gaming and professionals. Now let's dive into the performance. The HP Victus 15 is powered by the 13th Gen Intel Core i5 13420H processor. The CPU features 8 cores and 12 threads with a boost clock speed up to 4.6 GHz. This ensures exceptional performance for gaming and content creation and multitasking too. Complementing this powerful CPU is the Nvidia's GeForce RTX 4050 GPU with 6GB of GDDR6 memory. The GPU delivers smooth and immersive gameplay thanks to the Nvidia's DLSS technology and real-time ray tracing capabilities. Whether you are playing the latest AAA titles or rendering high-resolution videos, this laptop can handle it all. The Victus 15 comes with 16GB of DDR4 RAM clocked at 3200 MHz. This high-speed memory ensures smooth multitasking and faster data processing. For storage, it comes with 1TB of PCIe NVMe SSD, providing rapid boot times, quick application launches, and ample storage for games and files. Now let's talk about the display. The Victus 15 is equipped with 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with a 144Hz refresh rate and 9 millisecond response time. The display also boasts 250 nits of brightness and 45% of NTSC color gamut coverage, ensuring vibrant and accurate colors, making it perfect for both gaming and creative work. Now, cooling is critical for sustained performance, and the HP Victus 15 features an advanced cooling system with enhanced thermal solutions. This ensures that the laptop stays cool and performance is top-notch even during extended gaming and creative sessions. This laptop also features a full-size backlit keyboard with numeric keypad, allowing you to personalize your gaming setup. The keyboard has a comfortable layout with dedicated hotkeys for quick access to essential functions. Now, connectivity is versatile with this laptop too. It includes multiple USB Type-A and Type-C ports, HDMI 2.1 port, RJ45 jack, and 3.5mm audio jack. This variety means you can easily connect all your peripherals and external devices. The laptop also comes with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast and reliable wireless connectivity. The battery life is impressive too, with a 70-watt-hour battery that supports fast charging, providing approximately 50% charge in just 30 minutes. Perfect for gaming and work on the go. Overall, the HP Victus 15 gaming laptop offers an exceptional blend of performance, cooling, and aesthetics, with versatile connectivity and storage options. Whether you are a gamer looking for smooth, high frame rate gameplay or a creator needing reliable processing power for rendering and editing, this laptop is for you.